Well, boys, you may think we made it to Southern California, but no siree, we're right here in Victoria. Me and the JLC, rocking the IDC, motherfuckers.
Yeah!
So, what I'd like to show you guys is some ocean view and some mountains. Jared?
Manner? Gotta get out of this city. Gotta get out of this city. Oh man, I gotta get out of this city. It's lacking trees, lacking breeze, lacking everything but scum and disease. Gotta get out!
Damn, we gotta get out!
Making me work a 9 to 5, bumping my way through all the suitcase job. Man, I gotta get out!
Damn, we gotta get out into the States where we can survive.
I come from the east to a west paradise, but everyone runs around like rats and lies. Man, we gotta get out!
Damn, we gotta get out!
Oh, we gotta get out!
Man, we gotta get out!
People sticking, never get tested. I skate down the street, but I get arrested. We gotta get out!
Yeah, we gotta get out!
Oh, we gotta get out!
Yeah, we gotta get out!
Your fashion sense has gone too far. Oh, and I fall. You're all whores of the bar. Yo, we gotta get out!
Yeah, we gotta get out!
Man, we gotta get out!
Yeah, we gotta get out!
Gotta get out of this city! Gotta get out of this city! Oh man, we gotta get out! To our own paradise! Oh, the out around the grass and lies! Woo! Wrapped up in a do-rag on the street! How does Pender Island sound? Galliano, Salt Spring. Gotta get out!
Oh, so funny.
Leave that part out about the neighbors.
Fucking yummies. Nice quiet neighborhood. Fucking yummies.